Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 15, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, just won't look as fancy as this, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. It should have one on the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap around it. If it does, you can peel it off. Next, we can pop out the tray, which will be located on the bottom of the device, which you do need to take off the silicone case. And you can see it right here. Now, there's several places where you might think you can insert this. We're interested in the one that is part of this cutout right here. There we go. So right over here, you want to push that in. Just to show you, when you push it in, the tray will pop out, enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for either 2 SIM cards, so you can see one on each side, or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. Now when you're planning to use dual SIM, you'll just grab one of these cards and flip it to the bottom tray, the bigger one, and you would place your SIM card like so. So sideways, you can see. Make sure it is clipped in place correctly. It should not be protruding nor falling out of the tray. But I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm going to flip it to the other side. And there we go. So again, you want to clip it in correctly. Again, just like before, it shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down, and it should be laying flush on it. And same thing goes for the SD card. There we go. So both of them are in place, as you can see, completely flush. So we're just gonna now pop it back into our device. And give it a second. There we go. You can see the SIM card is now working, as it's telling me to confirm my SIM card PIN. Once I do so, this unlocks my SIM card, and the SD card should be already working, which we probably have a notification here. Yep, there we go, it just showed up. So SD card is also working. So that's how you insert SIM and SD into this phone. Now I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.